Welcome to Jesuit High School, and especially to all the 8th graders here tonight present from across the Tampa Bay area, the future members of our class of 2028. Welcome to Jesuit's Open House. As you explore our campus tonight, meet our students and teachers, and learn about our programs and many opportunities, I think you'll discover one thing very quickly: that this is a dynamic school community of motivated students and outstanding faculty. You'll see the commitment that generations of alumni and benefactors have made to this school, going all the way back to 1899, to Jesuit's founding 124 years ago in downtown Tampa. Yes, next year, your freshman year, we will celebrate the 125th anniversary of the school. You will see tonight Jesuit's strong commitment to academic excellence with a curriculum that includes the most vigorous and successful AP program in the area. 18 dual enrollment courses through St. Louis University, a 3-year engineering program, newly developed business and accounting courses, excellent tools for learning and research in science and the humanities, an outstanding counseling and college admissions department, a challenging curriculum that prepares our students for success at selective universities throughout the country. Jesuit's impressive array of extracurricular activities really has something for everyone, and you'll see those on display tonight. Studio and digital art, 3D art, band, chamber orchestra, classical guitar, altar serving and choir, theater, engineering, technology, service, and numerous opportunities for growth in faith and leadership. Through these activities that develop boys into young men, we keep faith with Jesuit schools throughout the world and with Jesuit education through the centuries. Our athletic program this past year was once again recognized as the best boys program in the state of Florida. The academic record of our athletic program also stands in the upper ranks of all Florida schools. As you meet our faculty and students tonight, or on a school visit, perhaps earlier this semester or later this semester, it doesn't take long to realize that Jesuit is not just a school, but a true community, a brotherhood, where boys can grow into young men of faith and maturity, engaged in the world around them, where they are encouraged to develop their talents and abilities to their fullest potential. What is most important, not their own self-interest, but God's glory, and that God is glorified by them most of all when they give themselves in service to others. Above all, I think formation is what sets Jesuit apart and why our mission is so important in today's world. The human formation to help our students become responsible men, leaders who seek the common good, and the formation in faith that prepares them to take their place in their communities as men of God and men for others. You will encounter a lot of our students tonight. Many of the tour leaders are here. Others are on practice fields or in the studios, in the theater, in the various academic spaces. I want you to ask yourselves, if you're an 8th grader, or if you're the parent of an 8th grader, do you see yourself? Do you see your sons and these young men that you encounter tonight? 100% of our graduates are accepted into 4-year colleges each year. And each year they depart to colleges around the state of Florida and to some of the best universities in the country, prepared for success, prepared to lead. Many go on to careers of great distinction, leading lives of faith as men for others in their communities. But every single one of them, like Mr. Shikatano, began exactly where you are tonight, where you young 8th graders sit, visiting Jesuit, making your application with great hopes for the future. For you and your families, that future begins now. Welcome and enjoy our open house. Thank you.